start again. It's a rich thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to unbox the new Ugreen TWS, which are the HiTune model, by the way. The last time I reviewed them, they were pretty good for their price, and that was the previous model. Today we are reviewing and unboxing the new model, which is called the HiTune TWS. It is a true wireless earbuds, and they are pretty good in this price range. You get the thank you welcome card on the front of the package, and you also get a Ugreen ribbon, which you used to get inside the previous package as well. Putting these things aside, there is nothing more in the package, and what do you expect more? An iPhone? Unboxing the package was pretty simple and pretty satisfying actually, but getting the box out was not very satisfying. On the front you have the product manual, which is quite thick for being a product manual, and you have the case itself, which contains the earbuds. Let's put it aside and check what else is inside the box. Yes, you heard it, there is a new Type-C cable and a Type-C port to charge the case, and that was not in the previous one. You get some ear tips, and that's about it. The product manual is pretty thick for being a product manual, almost seems like a little book. The case is pretty neat, and I have one complaint about it though. I really like the glossy design, and I don't mind the matte finish on the new one, but the only problem is that it's quite big. If you compare it to the other size AirPods or earbuds, it is just a tiny bit big, but it fits just right into my pocket. The Type-C port is actually pretty good and a really big upgrade if you ask me. It has 3 light indicators which indicate how much charge the case is itself, and I guess they're pretty neat. The earbuds themselves have a matte and glossy finish to them. They are kind of a mix between it, and they look premium. The ear tips are medium ones on default, and they fit me the best after trying them. Comparing it to the previous generation of the Ugreen and the Apple Airpods 2, the case is just a little bit thick and heavy, but I really don't mind it. The earbuds themselves have a really better design. The last one were just typical and I didn't really like them. Now it's just upgraded. All you have to do is connect it to your phone and start listening to the music. I'm not an audiophile, but I must tell you the sound quality was amazing for their price. I would say they were as good as the Apple 2nd Gen AirPods, even though they're not priced as such. The feedback and the voice controls are just amazing, and the mic quality on the calling was also pretty good. I can easily suggest you the Ugreen HiTune TWS because they were pretty good. And this is, by the way, fake acting. Don't take it for real, guys. He's just dancing to some old music which he doesn't even know. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you guys liked it. I'm signing out. Peace out.